Good morning, adventurers. So we are on day 2 of our Disney vacation, and right now we are heading to the Artist Palette. That's the quick serve restaurant in the Saratoga Springs for a little breakfast, and then we're gonna head over to Animal Kingdom. It's supposed to rain today. I got the umbrella. We'll see how it goes. Right now it doesn't look like rain at all, so maybe we'll get lucky. So here we are in the Artist Palette. They got a whole variety of danishes and muffins and pastries and bagels.
I think so.
These are snack ready. So we got a cherry turnover, an apple danish. You got a chocolate muffin there, bud? Is it good? Yeah. Chocolate muffin approved. Chocolate croissant. Is it good? Yeah. All right. Chocolate for breakfast. Always a good choice. Me too. I'll show you a little decoration as we're walking out here. I got some colored glass and some blown glass lighting. All right, so we just finished our breakfast. My cherry Danish was delicious. Absolutely packed full of cherries. It was just pie filling, but it's unusual to see a cherry turnover, I feel.
My buffet was really good.
Yeah. The kids liked their breakfast. How was your apple?
It was good.
You liked it? So, and that was all snack credit eligible. So that was a good, easy breakfast for us. And now we're off to the Animal Kingdom. Here's a look at the resort during the daytime. I know when I was here the first night, I kind of walked around and it was dark, but you can get a better view of where we're staying in the light. So we are staying at the Springs section of Saratoga, and it's one of the preferred areas. Unfortunately, it's one of the last stops on the bus line, so we went right across the lake, and we're trying to see if getting on at the paddock section of the resort is going to be quicker, because it's one of the earlier stops in the bus line. Yesterday we got on and the bus was absolutely crowded. Today there seems to be nobody here, so we'll see. Today is a Tuesday, so it's generally a little bit slower on Tuesdays than Mondays, but I think we're probably gonna be picking up the bus from here every morning. It's a quick walk right across the bridge, and it seems to be a better location for us than going to the main area where there was just a bunch of people waiting. All right, so we're about to enter into the Animal Kingdom. You can see the Mountains of Pandora off in the distance there. It's a little busy, but it is morning, so it's not unexpected. I don't know if this is an indication of how busy the park will be necessarily. We'll find out more towards the day when the guests spread out throughout the park, how busy it actually becomes. It's also looking more like it's gonna rain, so that might clear people out more. All right, so now we're walking in. Animal Kingdom is such a green park. There's lots of trees and foliage, so I would imagine on hotter days when it's really sunny out, this is probably the cooler park to go to. Although I feel like there's not as much breeze in this park as there is in others. Hello, Mr. Iguana. He's just relaxing. Yeah, he's chilling out on his bed of rock. As soon as you walk into the park, they got a whole bunch of animal pens with different animals. This is the black-necked swan. Some beautiful theming here. I just had a couple tell me that the white birds that you see here are ibis. This is a native bird to Florida. These aren't, they just fly in for the atmosphere and the free food, I think. And there's the Tree of Life in the distance. We found Kevin wandering around. I don't think he has an official meet, so he just kind of walks around and interacts with the people. But this is a new character, relatively new. Very neat. All right, so our first stop is we're heading into Asia because we have fast passes for Mount Everest. And here's the entrance to Asia. I love the theming in Asia. And here's the Yak Yeti restaurant. And right next to it is the quick serve area. Where you
They all open at 11.
Oh, it says breakfast. Yeah, they do serve some breakfast here. Some bacon sandwiches, breakfast tacos, hash brown bites. Oh, we'll have to remember that. Here's one of the many fountains of Disney. Yep. You can see, break the water with your finger and it splits.
I want to do it.
All right, go ahead. No. And here's the monkey pen.
Monkey.
There was one just, there's one hanging out over on the bamboo. I don't know if you can see him.
Wait, what's
See
that
him?
for? What's that little house for?
Oh, and there goes one swinging.
Another one swinging.
Yep. Oh, he's going fast. Look at him go. He's putting on a show for you.
I saw a store that I want to look at.
See that? Woo! There he goes. Ah, woo! Woo! That looks fun. I wish I could do that. Wee! Man.
Oh, there they both go.
Oh, now they're gonna chase each other. Oh, it looks like they're coming out to feed. They're coming out to feed the monkeys now.
Why are they in the water?
Well, she needs to get out there.
Out to the air. That's how they get out.
He's hungry. He knows there's food coming.
You ready to walk on,
Yeah.
guys?
That one's ready to wrestle.
Turn it off, buddy. Let's go. Yeah.
Yeah. I could stand here and watch monkeys all day long. They're fun. We have a little time before our fast pass, so we're gonna do the Maharaja Jungle Trek. This is just a walking tour where you get to see animals of Asia. Yeah, I think we're gonna see a kimono dragon in here. Yep, that's a kimono dragon out there. Yeah, he's just bathing in the sun. There's another viewing spot. You can get a better look at the kimono dragon. Beware, tigers are frequently encountered in the ruins ahead. Yep, more monkeys.
Come sit right here. You can sit.
Oh, there you go. There's 3 of them up there. Look at this. See, they got like mutton chops.
I see one.
They're mutton chop monkeys.
I can only imagine how fuzzy the little babies are.
Oh, I always think that's a
What kind of monkey is it?
They're called lion-tailed macaques. Little bushy lion tails, but also big bushy lion manes. Even the girls like Dorothy here have big bushy lion mane. And they come from a place called India, but only a teeny weeny tiny place.
Wow.
So there aren't a whole lot of them in the wild anymore, but the places they're in are very protected. There's a lot of people there that consider them very, very special animals, so they're protected very well here. But they used to live all over the place, so it's good that they're protected here. Do you think they're protected here? Yeah, that's my job. I'll get in big trouble with Mickey if I let them get hurt.
Mickey gave you this job?
Mickey's my boss. He signs my paycheck. Who's the boss of Mickey, though? It's another
Trick
mouse.
question.
Minnie.
Minnie's the real boss. Mickey signs the checks, but Minnie's the real boss. That's for sure.
Yeah, tree monitor lizard. Sticking his tongue out. So unfortunately they're working on the bat paddock here. The bat cages. So the bats are not here presently. But usually they have, I think they're fruit bats hanging from the trees usually around here. Prehensile tail skink. See the tiger? Yeah, it's walking around.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Oh,
Tiger, tiger.
are you kidding me? You don't want to see the continue looking at the tiger? I know I keep saying it, but the theming is awesome. There's some antelope up there grazing. And with them, some water buffalo. Yeah, I think they're hiding today. Yep, that is a crazy looking bird. Oh. I see some parrots flying around up in the trees. Look, she's got a list of all the birds that are in here.
Pretty cool.
Yep. It's like a turkey. There's a guy. He's got some crazy mohawk hair.
Run up to him, Preston, you'll scare him.
Do not touch.
So that's the bad news. The good news
It's not a peacock.
is to honor them.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go for a minute.
Mount Everest. I'd like hiking gear for two, please. Hello? Oh, look at those. Angry monkeys. There's the Yetis. Here we go, we're going up to Mount Everest. Welcome to the Himalayas! All right, ready? Here it goes. Woo! Yeah! Oh, we're stuck. The track is broken. Look, the track is broken up there. Oh no! What's gonna happen? We're gonna go down Mount Everest? Which way do you think we're gonna go? Which way do you think we're going? That way. That way? Are you sure about that? Uh-oh! Oh! What's he doing? He's gonna eat us? No! Oh. Whoa! Woo! Whoa! Oh yeah! Woo! Was awesome. Yeah. You like that? High five. Nice job. I have not been on that ride in quite a few years. I forgot how fast that thing really goes. It was quite the ride. So after that harrowing ride on Mount Everest, we're hungry. We're gonna go get some lunch at the place next to the Yak Yeti. Farewell, Mount Everest. You were awesome.
That would be good.
So we stopped at the little Yak Yeti store over here in Asia. It's a nice yin and yang cat shirt. That's $32. There's a lot of stuff with elephants on it. What do you think? New adventure hat?
I think that would be perfect.
Some nice tea sets.
What are these? Oh, look at
Here's some elephant sculptures. This is $20. Some tree art. These are $14.99. There's some little, what are these, Buddhas, I think. $12.99. Chinese food dogs. $29.99. Oh, geez. You mean I can't bring my goat in here? So we decided to eat at the Yeti Quick Serve. Here's a list of the food items. So I decided on the sesame chicken bowl. I don't see any sesame seeds on that though. We got hamburgers for the kids. How is it?
God.
Kid hamburger good? And you? Yummy. Okay. All right, so the food there was good. It really wasn't any better than your average Chinese takeout, which you kind of expect with a quick serve. And the portions were a bit small, but for a light lunch, it was really good. The rain has held off for us so far, so we've been having a good day here at Animal Kingdom. I think here is a good spot to pause the video and start a new one. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.